Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bitbucket, access repositories and workflows step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to bitbucket.org. Click the login button at the top right of the page. Choose whether you want to sign in with an Atlassian account or with SSO if your company provides it. If you already have an Atlassian account, type your email address and click Continue. Enter your password carefully and click Login. If you use Google Login, click Continue with Google and select the correct Google account. If your organization uses SSO, click Login with SSO and enter your company domain when prompted. Complete any two-step verification request by entering the code from your Authenticator app or email. After successful login, confirm you are on the Bitbucket dashboard page. Locate the top navigation bar and click Workspaces to see available teams and projects. Select the workspace you want to work in to avoid opening repositories in the wrong organization. Click Repositories in the left menu or top menu to view the repository list. Use the search box to quickly find a specific repository by name. Click a repository name to open its main page and see the source code view. Review the default branch shown near the branch selector so you know what code you are viewing. Click the Branches menu to switch branches if you need a different version of the code. Click Commits to view the commit history and verify you have access to the repository activity. Click Pull Requests to check open reviews and collaborate on code changes. Click Pipelines if your workspace uses CI/CD to see build and deployment workflows. If Pipelines is not enabled, follow the on-screen prompt to enable it if you have permission. Click Settings in the repository to confirm your access level, such as Read, Write, or Admin. If you cannot see a repository, ask the workspace admin to grant you access or add you to the correct group. To clone the repository, click the Clone button and choose HTTPS or SSH. Copy the clone URL and use it in your Git client or terminal to download the project locally. If using SSH, make sure you have added your SSH public key in Personal Settings under SSH Keys. Go to your Profile menu and open Personal Settings to manage security, email, and app passwords. Return to the workspace and open Projects if your team organizes repositories into project folders. Bookmark the workspace or repository page so you can return quickly during daily development. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.